now. We tired of you. We don't want to see you. You're wicked. You can't lead us. We don't want you to lead us anymore.
What's up, guys? Check out this video.
Yes. Good morning, guys. This message is for the Prime Minister, Most Honorable Andrew Holness. I make a video 4 days now, the 12th. I may make back one today, they were 15, because they make a speech yesterday. Mr. Holness, he sent one message go give you, direct go give you. And a lot of persons come under the comment section. So a message for you and for all of the people with lack of knowledge. Mr. Holness, I tell you if you go down at the location, Cooper's Pen, right? You know reach, you make one speech instead. Only if you understand, so there was a wait name caveat. Caveat was placed on the title, if I pronounce it right. Meaning, nothing can do with the title. Portia Simpson place it on it. The Most Honorable Portia Simpson, sorry, place it on it. So that means no move can make. Only the sitting who are running the country can live it, right? And then business can go forward. Apparently, are you live it? Are you live it? Andrew, Mr. Holness, I'm not telling you no lie. Me did respect you. I did, but I don't anymore. He's an evil man. Very evil. You're very lie. You're very lie. You must step down, you know. You must step down. We do not need you anymore. We do not need you. You're not fit to be our Prime Minister. You're not fit. You must step down. You see this way you do, and then you come and make speeches with no remorse. No remorse in your voice when you speak. And you talk about all the baby when you have no remorse. You need to step down, you need to leave. You need to leave, Mr. Holness. We don't want you no more. We don't need you anymore. We do not need a minister lying to us. You lie to us. And you treat we like dog. You treat the people like dog. Why did you remove the caveat or convita away one name? Why you move it? Why you remove it without settling the people them, relocating the people them to make them have somewhere to? Why you do that? And then you come out and speak with no remorse. And you have the power and then you look at fool people with the look at JLP and the look at PNP, Sinti with the politics mind. I can't talk about Prime Minister and nothing to do with it. The Prime Minister have everything to do with it. Everything. He's an evil man and it can't work. You talk like you me hear how you're talking like you're God. You talk and anybody, you're God. And you build this? And you create this? You talk like you're God. You talk like you shine the sun and you fall the rain. You come like you build earth. You come like you create this. Come like you did say let there be light. And they was like, oh you talk so. And you talk like a badness you push too. Because when you do people them thing, you don't want nobody retaliate. A badness they push. Say like you want to go back. You want to go back in a nanny and the maroon them days then. You want to go back. You want to come like it's go like and that's why you push. We for go back. But we're not going to go back this so. You know one time I pray one time I see video, Mr. God, please make send one liar, God, please. Make a liar go, please, God. And when we look at two liars, I see two liars. And them are going to mash you up, man. Them are going to carry you down. Because I pray now. You have to go down. This is a 3-day-old baby that will make lick out time house before the year. You are going to pay for it. You have to go down. You have to go down. You overstep. I tell you already, you overstep. You have to go down. You could have talked like you have pulled up and conquer somewhere. Nobody not afraid that you can have to talk for it right. You have to step down. We do not need you anymore for our Prime Minister. We need you to, you need to leave. We're tired of you. Come down now. We're tired of you. We don't want to see you. You're wicked. You can't lead us. We don't want you to lead us anymore. You need to leave. Leave. Come down now.